So we start off today's video with this gorgeous pixie. Look at the color on this one. It is absolutely stunning. Beautiful hot pink and burgundy hair color combo. I absolutely love it. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at some short styles. So here we have a gorgeous blonde bob haircut, followed by another blunt bob, and then we have a mini bob style that also features some pink highlights mixed in. Once again, a stunning color combination. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Gorgeous pixie undercut, followed by another mini bob style. This one also features some pink. It seems as if pink is definitely growing in popularity, and there are many women starting to gravitate towards this hair color. Beautiful bob for the next style as well. So with the last two haircuts, this one and the previous one that we saw, you can classify this as a mini bob or a pixie bob variation. Next up, we have an asymmetrical pixie style, beautiful ginger color, or blonde and brunette mixed together, creating a blonde hair color combination. That is another very popular hair color trend that we are seeing this season. So here we have another hair transformation. Looks like she wants to get a bob haircut. Face framing jaw length style bob. Beautiful, nice, simple, and chic, effortless bob haircuts. Oh, beautiful blonde hair color transformation. Her hair looks so thick and flowy. Look at that movement. So much body. Very nice. Then we have someone who decided to go platinum. Oh, she also cut the hair into a bob. Oh, this is so pretty. This color looks amazing on her. And then we have a blonde pixie style here. This one really enhances her cheekbones. So cute. And then we have this beautiful blonde pixie with a patch of green going there at the bottom. Looks like a bit of green, a little bit of blue, a very pretty coloring. What I like about this style is it's kind of like tame and cute in the front, and then you get to the back and it's like very bold and vibrant with the pop of color. So much fun. So it looks like we have a pixie bob haircut here. This hairstyle perfectly accents her tattoo. And once again, I would classify this as a mini bob or a pixie bob. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright you guys, I hope you did enjoy checking out all the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.